morning, ladies and gentlemen. Another beautiful day here in Irvine. It's about 8 a.m. About 7:45 in the morning. Just on our way to work at the moment. So I'm just doing that. Got really nothing planned for you guys right now, but I just want to take you guys along in the mornings when I can, because might as well. So I do this about every morning as of about 2 weeks ago, just because why not? I work about 5 miles away. It's way cheaper on gas, so just figured it made more sense. And honestly, it's a great commuter. Takes me about the same exact time if I were to drive a car, because I would most likely take the freeways then, so I'm not stop and go, wasting a bunch of gas. And the freeway tends to be a bit slow at this time just because of traffic, so honestly it takes me just about the same time. If not, this might be a little bit faster on the Grom by like a minute or two. Nothing significant. The best part about this is just the whole cutting through traffic ordeal that you get to do. Honestly makes your life 10 times easier, and especially because this is the main street of Irvine. So around 4 to 6 p.m. this will significantly get backed up, and so you're going to be sitting in a line of cars that's just going to take you way too long to get anywhere. And the freeway is no better. I don't know, I'm sure if you guys are familiar with the 405 or 91 or any of those freeways at around 3 to 6 p.m. It's just an absolute shit show. The worst thing you can ever get on. It's literally bumper to bumper. So obviously taking the street's gonna be your better route to go, but even then, like, you're still pretty backed up. Not nearly as bad. What's up, dude? I do need to reset this clock on the Grom. It says 12:29 right now. It's definitely not 12:29, or else I'd be really late to work. Red light. Catching all the red lights today. Sir, can you please get on the sidewalk? Oh, we got the drop top. I like it. Great things, but I got this Grom. I got this nifty phone holder, and honestly it's saving my life. If I didn't have this thing, I don't even know what I would be doing. It's like the perfect freaking position, man. It's just like right there, bam, I got my maps. What's up, guys? We just got out of work and we're on our way to the gym right now, so woo! God, I love this thing. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Thankfully, I work literally down this street from work, so I have zero excuse to go to the gym, because to be honest, it was up to myself, and the gym was any harder than it is to get to right now, I would not go. Something to know about me, I'm not a big fan of the gym, so the good thing is it's right down the street. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but I definitely was bit by something. All of a sudden I got a big bump. Oh man, I need to get some gas too. Oh, it is a hot one out today. Okay. Whew. Good thing I brought a backpack today so I could put my jacket away because it is boiling. Whew. The thing is so funny, you can just ride it like a dirt bike. Oh, I put a car cover on at the gym. What's up, guys? We're finally leaving the gym, put in a solid hour. Did a little light cardio and a chest day, so heading home now. Man, I'm tired. At least it cooled off a little. Usually I ride in a jacket even in the heat, but I don't know, today I said screw it. I'm just gonna ride in my tank top on my way home. Just a little bit too hot. Get the phone loaded up. Ooh, I need some gas. Should I go now and get gas? Probably. Don't want to do that. I'm about to drop my phone. Alright, gotta lock this. There we go. Alright. Get some of that good. Not only do I get great gas mileage, but because I get such great gas mileage in a small tank, I don't gotta sit at the gas tank forever like I used to. Like, it looked like a cop at first. Kind of got the little heebie-jeebies because I was looking behind me and it looked like I saw a cop. But it was actually Mini Cooper two-toned. It had, it's actually this one pulling up right next to me. From the rearview mirrors with the mirrors, you know, vibrating like that, it looked like a police car, you know, black sides, white top. I was like, am I gonna get pulled over right now for going too slow? This thing. When am I gonna get pulled over for speeding? I mean, I can, but like when? Because these things don't go that fast. Right now I'm doing 40 miles an hour, but it feels like I'm doing like, I don't even know, like 80 or 90. I mean, not really, but given all the wind and everything that hits you, it feels pretty drastic. I can even imagine going like 80 miles an hour on a Grom. I've seen some people get them up to like 75, but I mean, that's, I don't know what they got done to it. I'm also not trying to grenade my motor, so. Here is the best part of a Grom, or a motorcycle in general. You know, the great thing about this too is, given it's a motorcycle, even though it's only like 7 or 8 horsepower, it accelerates fairly fast. So even though the top speed's not that fast, when you're splitting lanes and stuff, you can at least get in front of the cars fairly quicker, unless obviously someone's gassing it. But it gives you an edge just because you can get out a little bit faster. So you don't feel like you're holding up the line just because you already kind of have a few car lengths. And by the time they reach, you know, get up to you, you're at least doing the speed limit on the street. So you don't have to feel too bad about holding anyone up. Or worst comes to worst, they can just go around. That was the only worry I had. I was like, man, it doesn't go that fast. So am I going to be holding up cars if I lane split or anything? But so far I've had pretty good luck as far as, you know, you can get out in front pretty quick. Should we go to the Urban Spectrum? It's right there. Nah. I'll end up buying another pair of these pants like I just did the other day. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that blue Tundra, but that was a really nice color. It kind of looked like Laguna Seca blue, if you guys are familiar with that. Oh man, that was a really good color. They're pretty good looking. I've never been into Tundras, but I gotta say, those are really, really nice. Totally ran that red by accident. Whoops, what are you gonna do? I'm really not gonna try to brake hard on a Grom, because I mean the brakes aren't that good. So I'll take my chances. Well, I shouldn't, I mean, but in that scenario I did. Alright, so we're gonna have to tuck. There we go. Come on, let's get this draft. DRS activated. Miles an hour, that's the fastest I've had it so far. Okay. I really need to get rid of these dirt tires. I don't know if you guys can hear them, but they make quite a bit of noise. Rose on her phone, just, I don't even know what she's doing. Alright guys, well, I don't know what happened, but some footage got lost, I guess, between the last quarter mile of getting home. Anyways, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. Any ideas, anything I should do. This is your unofficial official outro that got messed up. Alright guys, peace.